Everyone talks about AI breakthroughs like they're sci-fi headlines. New models, new tools, new game-changing updates every single week. But here's the real question nobody asks. Which of these actually matter if you're just trying to save time, make money, or not fall behind? Because most AI updates sound impressive, but they don't change anything for the average person. So today, I'm breaking down the AI updates that actually matter right now, and which ones you can completely ignore. First, let's talk about why most AI news is misleading. Big companies love announcing features that look powerful on paper, but require massive teams, custom integrations, or paid plans that beginners will never touch. That's why people feel like AI is moving fast, but their own results stay the same. Now here's what actually matters. The biggest shift happening right now is AI becoming usable without technical skills. More tools are moving towards simple inputs, better memory, and automation that doesn't require coding. That means beginners don't need to learn complex systems anymore. They need to learn how to give better instructions and build simple workflows. Another important change is speed. Tasks that used to take hours, writing, research, basic design, content planning, are now happening in minutes. Not because AI is smarter, but because the tools are finally optimized for real use. And this is where people miss the opportunity. Instead of chasing every new AI headline, the smart move is focusing on repeatable tasks. Things you already do, but slower than they should be. If AI can save you time consistently, it can eventually make you money. That's the part most creators skip. So when you see AI news, don't ask, "Is this impressive?" Ask, "Can this replace something I already do?" If the answer is no, you can safely ignore it. And if you want more AI updates that focus on what actually matters, not hype, subscribe, because I break this down every week.